This isn't just a tournament, it's a continental takeover. While the opening ceremonies look spectacular, the actual match schedule has just exposed a massive problem for global fans because the tournament is spread across 4 different time zones. FIFA has officially announced a staggering 13 different kickoff times across the group stages. Even Europe, the Middle East, or Africa, prepare to ruin your sleep schedule. Over half of the opening rounds matches for European viewers kick off between midnight and 5 a.m. If you are in the UK, Germany, or Spain, you are looking at staying up until 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. just to watch the group stages unfold. For fans in the Middle East, watching teams like Qatar, Saudi Arabia, or Jordan, the vast majority of the games take place between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. local time. Broadcasters are bracing for a wild shift in viewership habits, literally going to be sleep deprivation World Cup.